Severe thunderstorms accompanied by heavy rainfall and hail wreak havoc across Oman over the past couple of days. On March 6, extreme flash flooding hit the town of Adam in the Dakhiliyah region. Oman's Civil Aviation Authorities (CAA) said a number of governorates are witnessing thunderstorms ranging from 20 to 60 mm, 0.8 to 2.4 inches, associated with downdraft, fresh winds and hail. The chances of varying intensity rainfall will continue over the rest of northern governorates of the Sultanate of Oman, CAA said. Heavy rains and flash flood have been reported in other areas of the country, including in Naklh, Batinah on March 5th. According to the data shown by the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Water Resources, the Wilayat of Khasab in Musandam Governorate received 62 mm (2.44 inches) of rainfall from March 4 to 5.